In this video, I'm about to show you how you can use NordVPN on an iPhone for Netflix. So make sure that you have NordVPN application installed onto your device, and also you have your Netflix application installed. So of course, everybody have Netflix. Now what we're going to be doing here is, you can see we have NordVPN currently opened on my browser. So if you cannot find a link to download for some reason, you can also head over to their official, you can see this is their platform from where you can download it. And you can see on these three dots or three lines on top right side, once I click on these, you have this downloads option over here showing up, right? So you need to head over to these downloads section, and once you're there, you can see it is going to be giving you options to download for iOS, and we have NordPass and everything. So what I suggest is download the app for your iOS device and start using it now. If you head over to the link in the description below, you are going to be getting up to 70% discount on NordVPN. So make sure to try that out, and you can easily create your account with a huge discount and get yourself unlocked amazing shows on Netflix. Could be various other platforms, like for example Amazon and Amazon Prime, so on and so forth. So this is the easiest way that you can get your Netflix um, unlocked with NordVPN on on your device. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.